That was a nice surprise.
Cute.
We haven't had a good date night in a while, so we've decided we're going to do a little hometown tourist of downtown Oakland. Tonight is the first Friday of the month, and every first Friday
is the Oakland Art Murmur, or First
Friday.
Friday. So they block off probably like half a mile of a street in Oakland where artists, local vendors, people wander the streets and have good vibes and hang out. So we're gonna go check that out. And this is where the actual First Fridays start. And they block off a few blocks and close the street down. Yes, I'm short. What I was saying was, instead of a photo booth, it's a photo bus.
We're leaving First Friday. We were just talking about, it's like First Friday is missing something now.
Yeah! All the lowriders, all the souped up, candy coated paint, OG like Chevys. Not there anymore. I'm actually really sad about that.
So true. That's actually something that deeply affects me, because if our internet service providers are able to decide where they want to route their traffic and speed up or slow down whatever they want, that means they choose which businesses and which services live or die. Whoever pays them the most. Services like Netflix, Google, Apple, like all of them, they'll be fine because they have the money to give these providers. But all the little guys who are trying to innovate, or actually innovate, trying to disrupt, it's not gonna happen anymore. It can't happen because they don't have the money. Save net neutrality, save your porn. thoughts on date night?
Success. Your thoughts on date night?
The success will come as soon as
Don't finish.
as soon as the camera turns off.
No! No, I can't face them since you said that. I'm embarrassed. End it.
First Friday, for those who don't know,
A quintessential Oakland event. Oakland?
it's basically a huge block party on Telegraph in downtown Oakland. Like they block off 4 or 5 blocks of Telegraph, all sorts of art and music and food.
It is pretty awesome. Actually, like, even though Oakland gets a really bad rap, if you actually go to First Fridays, it's pretty much all really good vibes. Like,
The really unfortunate thing about Oakland is that people who don't live in East Bay and think of Oakland, they think of West Oakland. They think of East Oakland. They don't think of Oakland
Like,
Hills.
you know,
They don't think
yeah.
of downtown. They don't think of Lake Merritt, Piedmont,
Uptown,
Temescal, Rockridge. I mean, you could name so many different neighborhoods in Oakland because Oakland is huge that are just awesome neighborhoods. Great places to go visit, tons of great food, tons of great things to do, nice people. It's only those few little places. It's like saying San Francisco sucks because...
the Tenderloin.
Yeah, exactly. Or LA sucks because of South Central.
Or Compton or whatever. And I know Compton's not even like that anymore. Like, I know that's a stereotype, and
Yeah.
I'm sure Compton doesn't hold that stereotype anymore.
Oakland is not as bad as you think.
Mind you, there are the areas that you need to avoid at night. For
Basic-
the most part, Oakland's amazing.
Yeah.
It's up and coming. It's up and coming because everybody out of San Francisco is getting pushed out.
Like us.
Like us. More people are settling down in Oakland just because of the lower prices, literally.
I've heard this a lot, that Oakland is the Brooklyn of San Francisco.
Right. And it is. So people live in Brooklyn because Manhattan's too expensive.
And so people live
So
in Oakland
because
San Francisco is too expensive. And now the same thing's happening in Oakland. Oakland is getting pretty close to what it is to live in San Francisco. And so now people are getting pushed even further out.
Anyway, successful date night, and it was well deserved. We haven't had our time to ourselves, not stressing about family or work or what we're doing. We needed a time to ourselves, and also because I read a thread on Facebook that date night is important.
Someone
As
posted
for marriage advice.
Yeah, just very
They're
vague.
like, comment, marriage
vague-
advice.
Yeah, vague
Now.
question. And probably 1 out of 5 comments were date night.
Date night.
1 out of 5 comments were yes dear or...
Happy wife, happy life.
Anyway, until next time.
It's us against the world. Good night.
Good night. Okay, I have to address this whole happy wife, happy life and yes dear thing. Yeah. Okay, well, give me a couple minutes. No, all I need is like 20 seconds. So,
20. 19.
you know how shut up. You know how you make a happy wife? You communicate.
15.
None of this yes dear.
13.
You want real advice?
11.
Listen,
10.
communicate. That's
9.
how you have a happy wife,
8.
happy life.
7.
Yes dear is
6.
bullshit.
5. 4.
Absolute bullshit.
3. 2. 1.
Good night.